Volume of 3D shapes. So volume is talking about like how much it takes to fill something. Area is like, so if I was talking about an area of a garden, it would be how much grass or how much dirt, what's that surface area. When we're talking about volume, you are talking about how much it takes to fill a 3D shape. So I'm going to be using my Dr. Pepper to show you filling stuff. So first we need to decide and talk about like what different things are. So if you look at, let's just look at this one. So this one, notice it has 3 rectangles, and then this side right here is the base. So we call this a triangular prism. So we call this, excuse me. So we call this a triangular. Oh. So that's a triangular prism because notice the base is a triangle, and there's always 2 bases, and then the sides are all rectangles. So that's a triangular prism. This one, so this one right here, is a rectangular prism. Notice the base is a rectangle, and actually all sides are rectangular. So it's rectangular prism. This one, let me find it. That one, and I don't have the end on it, is a pentagonal prism. So notice the top is a pentagon, the bottom is a pentagon, and then all of these sides are rectangles. So this is a pentagonal prism. So a prism is named by the base. So these are all prisms. They're just named by the base. So this one has a triangular base, so it's triangular. This one has all rectangles, so it's rectangular. This one's a pentagonal because the base is a pentagon. A cylinder is pretty much a prism, except for since the base is a circle, since the bases are circles, you don't actually have rectangles going here. So a cylinder, circles always make everything a little bit more challenging. But again, the base is a circle. Okay, so those are prisms. I have a whole bunch of them. This one, notice we always call it a cube, like a dice, but you could technically call it a square prism, but we don't call them square prisms, we call them cubes, just because we like to have fancy names for things. All right, the next thing. So if I look at this is a, if you notice, you can kind of see it. It's a pentagonal prism, or not prism, I'm sorry. It's a pentagonal pyramid. So notice this point that it makes, and then notice the base is a pyramid. So it fits inside of, you can kind of see it depending on the light. You can see that this is a pyramid because of that point. Sorry, I have a note on my hand of stuff that I need to buy. So it fits inside. So you'll notice down here I have pyramids. This one is called a pentagonal pyramid. Again, same thing, they're named by the base. So this one is a triangular pyramid. This one is a rectangular pyramid. Notice pyramids always come to this point like that. So those are pyramids. So the difference between a prism and a pyramid, pyramids, they all meet at a single vertex. The sides all meet at a single vertex. A cone, notice a cone is pretty much a pyramid, just the only difference is that the base is a circle. Okay, and the last main type that you will see is a sphere. A sphere is the most unique because it is just perfectly round, or it's a ball. So sphere is right there.